Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at a pen that I'm undoubtedly going to mispronounce the name of. And I'll show you the name of the pen so you can tell how badly I'm mispronouncing it. It's a Caran pen. Yeah, I'm sure that got mispronounced. Anyway, the reason I got this is because, well, the main reason I got it is because look at it. It's super shiny. And it has an aluminum body, and it's like a clicky pen. And the question, though, is how do you refill it? Because when I looked around online, it said it has a Goliath ink cartridge. And apparently the Goliath ink cartridge means it's extra large. It has a large ink supply. The thing is, though, I'm not seeing how I would, unless maybe this unscrews. Huh. Well, that's what I wasn't expecting. So you unscrew the back, you unscrew this part. That was kind of weird. And maybe broke it. Did I break it? That's weird. I guess I didn't break it. So, you just screw it back in. Huh. Alright. So, that was kind of fun. So, if you want to change the ink cartridge, you just unscrew it here. Huh. Unexpected. Alright, so this is a Caran and Goliath pen. I suspect the Goliath might be part of the ink cartridge, not really the pen. Alright, so I guess stuff that I've noticed first with this pen. One, it's nice and light and it feels pretty good. It has a hexagonal barrel. If y'all can see that or not. Maybe you can. Super zoomed in, a little too close. So it has a hexagonal barrel, or I guess hexagonal? I was going to try to say it wrong, but I don't know if I can. Let me think. Hexagonal? Yeah, that's right. That's probably the right way to incorrectly say it. It has a hexagonal barrel, and it doesn't write too bad. I mean, this is a test. Might not be a bad, like, just everyday pen, and being basically solid aluminum probably is relatively indestructible. They run about 15 or 20 bucks on Amazon. I'll include a link in the description if you're interested in checking one out. Can we take off the clip? I'm sure I could pop off this clip if I were so inclined. I don't know. Yeah, it looks like you can just pop off the clip. I wonder if you want to... The thing is, though, if you popped off the clip, would you be able to pop it back on easily? Let's use something that's non-metal so don't scratch anything. So, I bet this will slide off, maybe. Maybe not. I don't know. That's a mystery. Let me know in the comments. Does this little clip pop off or not? Anyway, it's kind of a cool looking pen. And I think there is a number of different colors available if you don't like the super shiny blue like I got. Anyway, if you have any questions or suggestions, please let me know down in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.